Next, we intend to showcase a simulated exercise that brings out the very basics of air combat maneuvering. The simulated combat being shown to you is tailored for your easy understanding. In an actual case, the aircraft would be flying at ultra low levels and at top speeds and maneuvering far more rapidly to get the better of the adversary. Shortly, you will see two Su-30 aircraft coming towards us from your right. This evening, the range where you are all seated will be protected by a combat air patrol of these Su-30s as they orbit overhead with the purpose of intercepting and destroying hostile aircraft before they reach us. Known by the acronym CAP, Combat Air Patrol typically involves fighters flying a tactical pattern to defend a national asset of vital importance, while also looking for incoming attackers. Please look to your right. Here comes the Su-30s. Dora is the formation leader and Max his wingman. Strike aircraft proceeding to neutralize an enemy target almost never go unescorted. Air defense fighters take on the role of escorts to ensure the safety of a strike package. Their purpose is to act as a counter threat to the air defense interceptors, and by doing so permit friendly missions to proceed unhindered to their targets and return safely. Look to your right. Firing flares, you can see two enemy aircraft simulated by the Mirage 2000 coming into attack this very place. The Mirages are flying in broad frontage 2 kilometers abreast of each other. And notice the CAP aircraft have now been vectored towards the incoming enemy aircraft. The Mirages have taken tactical action. Watch the enemy Mirages carry out a hard turn to the right in a bid to escape. Our Su-30s are equal to the task, with each aircraft positioning itself behind the intruders. The Mirages are dispensing flares to ward off any heat-seeking missile. But the Su-30s enjoy the position of high terrain advantage and will close in for the kill. Flying the Mirages are pack and shield of the battle axis. In an aerial combat, the wingman is absolutely indispensable. To quote a typical number one, I look after the wingman looks after me. It's another set of eyes protecting you. That's the defensive part. Offensively, it gives you a lot more firepower. We fly and fight together. Wars are not won by individuals, they are won by teams. Unable to shake off the attackers, the enemy aircraft have decided to exit by taking tactical action. You will soon see the enemy ripping left to vacate the missile envelope and live to fight another day. The enemy aircraft are turning hard left and going away from us, using the sun to their advantage. But the Su-30s are maneuvering harder to retain their advantage and close in for the kill. They have locked down to their respective targets, and it's just a matter of time before they achieve the missile solution to fire.